How to turn off microphone on iPhone. To turn off the microphone on your iPhone, you have several options depending on whether you want to disable microphone access for a specific application or mute the microphone during calls or recordings. This video is a short guide to help you out how to turn off microphone on your iPhone. To do so, first of all, simply launch the Settings application on your iPhone. Once you are on your Settings application homepage, scroll down a little bit. There you will see Privacy and Security. Tap on that. From there, you will see a lot of options. Among them, you have to select Microphone. Once you go through the microphone, you will see a list of apps that you have requested access to your microphone. Toggle the switch next to any app to off to deny it access to the microphone. In this way, you can easily turn off microphone on your iPhone. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.